Assalamualaikum. In this video, we learn how to install Python 3.9.1 in Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Open your browser and type Python. On the first link, this is the official website of the Python. It's python.org. Now from here, click on navbar and downloads. So from here, click on download Python, and this is the latest version 3.9.1. So we download it, and this file will download according to your internet speed. I already download this one for time saving. So then once the download is completed, click on the Python file. Now click on here, add path 9.1 to path. Now click on install now. Click on yes. If you need any help in tool installation or any programming language like Python, PHP, or framework coordinator, Laravel, feel free to comment below. We'll try best to help you out. I'm pausing video here till it's complete. Now click on close. Now Python installed. Now how can we test? Type cmd. Now Python. Click enter. So you can see here our Python 9.1 is installed. Now type print as the first lesson we learn hello world. So good luck guys. You can also check from here Python, and you can click here, then also will Python open. So good luck guys. If you have any curious session, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel and like video. And if you are a Python developer or beginner, I'll suggest you to install Anaconda for Windows or PyCharm. That will help you out in your programming environment. Good luck guys.